Hi parents, good evening. This is your parenting counselor Srinivas Raju, and today I would like to talk regarding our Intellithon platform. So most of the subscribers who have subscribed uh, Unlock program, we have found that they are not using this beautiful tool called Intellithon. So let me share with you how to use it. So most of the parents who have subscribed, they have been raising questions that they have not yet started using it actually. So this is a beautiful tool. It's a competition tool. It's a motivation tool. It's a daily activity. So if they participate and if your kid participated in, and they will be winning reward points. And if they win the competition, they'll end up getting some prizes as well. So are you all ready? Yeah. So let me share my screen and let me show you how we can utilize this. So here on your browser, you will type intellithon.com. That is INTELLITHONONLINE.com. And you did not subscribe because this comes with your unlock package, what you have received. So you have to just type login, press login here, and once you type this login, actually what happens is it asks for your OTP. The login ID is the same as that of your unlock. So just type that login ID, and an OTP will be sent to your mobile number. You type that mobile number and you will land up in this page. So this is one of the parents dashboard. So this is Isha's dashboard actually, and they reside in USA, Connecticut. So I can see that they have not yet started using. See here, 30 activities are there, and activity status submitted is showing 0 here, and the reward points they have got nothing because they haven't yet started. So here, what motivates children is this dashboard. You see the leadership leaderboards. So who is leading? So currently we can see that the name of the person in this age group, this is nursery to class 1 age group here, and this is regarding the January competition which they have not utilized, and the leader is Suchal PG and parent name is Sapna Ganesh in nursery class. Uh, this is the group and they are from Chikballapur. So if we click here, so what happens? This is the dashboard what you see here, and then here you can go and participate in the activities. So here you see you will get to participate daily different activity. So the day one activity here is that the topic name is how important a tree is for us, and you need to read these instructions. So participants should submit their entries based on topics. Submission should be based on the given topic. Submission should be in the desired format, that is video or image. And submissions that are not according to the topic and format will be disqualified. So new topics will be updated on the first of every month. Results would be declared by the 10th of next month. So this is what the Intellithon platform is all about. And if you submit this video, so they are asking you to submit a video. So the reward points what you will get is 15. So how to go about it? So you give this topic, how important are trees for us? So the kid would find out from their geography lessons, and then they will come up with a 8 to 10 points on that. You need to record and you need to choose the file here, and then you have to say submit. So once you do that, it will go for competition, right? Once your entry is submitted, so like this, daily on different category, there is different activity here. So the day two, they can participate in GK, name 8 hand tools. And the similarly, again, either video or JPG, whatever is been asked here, you can just record and upload here. And if your kids activity is one, then they will be rewarded also. So the reward points will be shown here. And the activities, how many activities submitted, how many are pending. If you submitted one, it will become 29. And the total points earned during the month, that will also be shown here. Here you can go and see your submissions, which all categories you have submitted, right? Like that, this is the leadership board, leaders board here. So who are leading now with how many points you can see here. And these are the reward points. So for nursery to class 1 reward category GK, Shaurya Devang Pithadia, Devang Pithadia Mumbai, and he's got cash prize of 200. So on each different category, there is competition, and if your kid happens to win in this different age groups, then they will be rewarded. So if we further go down, see there are different groups, and on different subjects, different person have won. So isn't it wonderful? So here, if you have won any certificate from the participation, you will get that. These are the rewards here, which we have seen already. So here you can go and you will be allowed to show here your past payments and coupons and all. So this is a very wonderful tool which parents are not using. So I thought I should tell them how to utilize this and how they can benefit from this. So if you see the activities, every day different topic. See environment, GK, geography, history, ideas, innovation, IT, leadership skills, moral values. So like this, there will be 30 activities daily. Photography, music. So this will help your kid to broaden his lookout, and he will gain more and more from different topics. So I suggest please utilize this tool, and if there is any problem in utilizing this tool, then please do post it in the group, unlock support group, and our counselors will get back to you and they will help you. So I hope this will help each and every parent and they will utilize this. Thank you all.